Alright, in this video we're going to be discussing your OneDrive and how you can utilize it to save documents and share documents with others. So the three things that I'm going to cover are how to sync your OneDrive to your teacher device, how to add documents to your OneDrive, and how to share documents with others. The first thing that you need to know is, what is OneDrive? It's an online storage space that will allow you to access your documents through the web, and it will also allow you to share documents with others. So it's not saving to your H drive anymore, you can now save to the OneDrive. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to our JTHS intranet site, just our home page, and up top you'll notice the button that says OneDrive. So the first thing that we're going to do is sync your OneDrive to your teacher device. So if you went to My Computer right now, or the library or the folder, and you looked over here at your different drives, under favorites you'll notice that mine has OneDrive for Business. What that is it's my OneDrive that's synced with the internet here, and that's where I can store documents so I can access them at home or share them with other teachers or staff members. So I'm going to show you how to get this into your favorites right now. So let's go back to the internet, and I would like you to click on OneDrive, and you can go ahead and sign in using your email address. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Sync, and then click on Sync Now, and it may give you some other prompts. You can just click through those and say yes, and then after you're all done, when you go back into the libraries or My Computer, you should see OneDrive for Business, or it may say OneDrive and then JTHS. Now, for some reason, there's also another OneDrive. I know this may get a little confusing, but just know that you will be saving your stuff to the OneDrive for Business, or it may say OneDrive for JTHS. Now, this OneDrive will always be located on your teacher device. So now that it's synced to your computer, how can you add documents to your OneDrive? Pretty simple. Let's say, for example, I'm working on an Excel spreadsheet to keep track of scores for my bowling team, and I want to save this to my OneDrive so that A, I can access it from home and maybe update scores while I'm out at a match, or B, I want to share this with other coaches so that they can also add in scores and update it, and we only have one copy, so then multiple people don't have to have their own copy, and then we're all trying to make sure everyone's is up to date. That's another good scenario for your OneDrive. So how do you save this in there? All you have to do is go to File, Save As, and you could do this with any document, not just an Excel document. It could be Word, it could be a video, it could be a PowerPoint, anything else. And then you'll notice right here, mine says OneDrive JTHS. And then you'll see, and actually I could just hit Browse. Let's just do that. Go to Browse. And then here's my OneDrive for Business. Now I've gone ahead and made some separate folders. So you notice I have a bowling folder. And then I can save it in there. And then now it is on my OneDrive on the web. So if I go into bowling, here's that Excel sheet. Let me show you how to make some separate folders. It's pretty simple. All you have to do is hit New, and you can create some folders to help keep organized. The third thing I'm going to show you is how to share documents with others. So for example, if I go into this bowling folder, you'll notice that the sharing icon right here has people, so it's telling me that I've already shared this. So let me find a document that hasn't been shared yet. So if it's not shared, it has a lock on it. If it is being shared, you'll see the multiple people icon. In order to share, you just click on the lock and then go to share, invite people. And then all you have to do is start typing their name. And as you start typing their name, you should get a list of our current staff members, and you should be able to click on that. Or you could just type in their email as well. Some other options while you're sharing, you can allow that person to edit the document or just view it. So for example, I want the other coaches to be able to edit that Excel spreadsheet, so I put can edit. And then you could type a little message that'll be emailed with this document to whoever you're sharing it with. So let me go back to that bowling folder. So if I click on this icon, you'll notice that these are the people that can edit it. So I've shared it with Tammy and Steve. And then it also tells you who last edited the document and how long ago it was modified. So this has been a really big help for keeping our scores up to date. So after you share it with somebody, they're going to receive an email that looks like this, and it says, so-and-so has shared this document with you. So when I click on it, and then here's the note that I added with it, and then you can actually click on the document, and then that person can open the document that you've shared with them. The other thing that's really cool about OneDrive is, let's say you're not even on your teacher device and you want to go access a document. All you have to do is go to our intranet page, click on OneDrive, log in, and you can access these documents even if you're not on your teacher device where we synced the OneDrive to. So it's really nice because it's always accessible. And that's it for the OneDrive.